Hey guys! Welcome to my very first vlog. I'm super excited to finally start this, and I thought there's no better way to kick things off than by sharing one of the best parts of my weekend, playing volleyball at Inter-High. This weekend was packed with energy, teamwork, and some really intense matches. I had so much fun, and I wanted to bring you all along for the ride, show you a bit of what it's like behind the scenes, on the court, and just hanging out with the team. So if you love volleyball, or just want to see how we spent our weekend by competing and bonding, keep watching. Let's get into it. Nandito na kami. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. I just want to share with you the highlights of my weekend because it was honestly such a great experience. So, over the weekend, we had our Inter-High volleyball games. And wow! It was an intense but super fun. Being on the court with my teammates, hearing the cheers, and feeling that energy, it's something I won't forget. One of the best moments for me was when we played this really close set. Everyone was tired, but nobody wanted to give up. Every serve and spike felt like it could change the whole game. And what I realized is that volleyball really isn't just about individual skills. It's about how you work together as a team. Communication, trust, and support from each other made the difference. Honestly, I also learned a lot about myself during that game. Like, I need to stay focused even when the pressure is high, and I can't let one mistake bring me down. Instead, I have to shake it off and be ready for the next play. That mindset really helped me enjoy the game more and play better. In the end, what I take away from this weekend is the importance of teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. Sports aren't just about winning. They're about building bonds, learning to push through challenges, and celebrating every little progress with your team. So yeah, that was definitely the highlight of my weekend. I'm really grateful for the experience, and I can't wait for more games like that. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye!